What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's me to the Zeo freaking and Amazon EBR, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a hair video because long time no hairstyling. Y'all know that already, and I've been loving my hair so much. If you checked the previous video, which is a video of this look that I put together, I have a video of this look up on my channel. I'm going to leave a link up here so you guys can, is it here or here, somewhere up here and in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. But in today's video we're going to style our hair, and I am going to be trying for the first time in a very long time to style my hair today. Okay, so if you want to get into this look, you already know what to do. Okay, just subscribe, hit the bell beside the subscribe button, and click on all so you get notified when I bring up new videos. And also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below about your favorite thing about this look. Okay, so we're going to take it up one at a time. Okay, very quick and easy. It's not supposed to take too much time. Okay, so I'll just get into it, no combs whatsoever, because we're not partying. Okay, perfectly, we just want to get this out of the way. All right, so let's dive into it straight now, shall we? So this is like a scrunchie, but it's supposed to be like a wristband, but who cares, right? Not me. You shouldn't either. So there we go. Starting from the front, I'm going to just use my fingers to part. I feel this is too tiny, so I'm gonna make it a bit thicker. Okay, so then I'm going to twist it in. Right. Let me see. Okay. Really chunky. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn this over like this, and I'm going to wrap it around the hair. So that way I've created the Bantu. Ooh, let's do it. I think I like it already. Give it to me, hot. Oh, guys, this TikTok dance that I'm doing here, if I go on TikTok now and I want to do it, I wouldn't know how to do it. That is crazy, I know, but I just would not get it right. I wouldn't get the choreography right, and TikTok has just made everyone a dancer, and I'm not one. Oh, maybe I am, but not a choreography person, so I'm not getting the choreography right. But you can't hate me, you can't blame me either. So yeah, give it to me hot, 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 give it to me hot. So let me tell you guys a story of how I had given up on this hair. Literally, I'd given up on my hair so much that I was contemplating a haircut. Okay, and that is because at a point it seemed like my hair was no longer growing, and for somebody who is supposed to be like a natural hair enthusiast and a natural hair creator, I mean, before I ventured into vlogs, my channel was basically about growing healthy hair, and then it seemed like my hair got to this phase where it was no longer growing. Now imagine my disappointment, because what content was I supposed to be putting out there? Okay, and a lot of people were looking up to me like, your hair is supposed to be thriving and all that good stuff, which is not a bad thing. Okay, but then the point is that it wasn't thriving, it wasn't doing all that good stuff everyone thought it was supposed to be doing, okay, at the time, which made everything a lot more frustrating than it would have been if I was just a regular girl, you know, growing my hair, no expectations, and no one looking up to me at all. So I'd considered to cut this hair several times, and then just this one time I said, you know what, I'm going to just wash this hair and put it in a protective styling, and then probably take down the protective style for the last time, and then get this hair out of the way, you know, in a haircut. Okay, finally get a haircut. And then I wash my hair and I go to the salon, I blow dry it, you know, so that I can get my braids in. And guess what happened? I'm seeing all that length. I'm like, yo, wait, what is going on? And then my braider, who happens to be my sister, she has a client come in. And so automatically we could not braid that day. And she was supposed to travel the next day to another state. So what happened was she just said, you know what? I'm going to twist your hair in really chunky twists. So you carry it until I'm back. Then when I'm back, we're going to get into braiding your hair. The next day, I have to style that hair, and I just decided to create a hairstyle. I'm going to leave a picture here. And guess what? I put this hairstyle and I'm like, what is going on? My hair is thriving. I get to my shoot location. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'm going to link it up here and in the description box below. I get to my shoot location and guess what happens? Everyone loves my hair. Oh my God. Everyone who gets a chance gets to tell me, I love your hair. Your hair is so beautiful and all that good stuff. And it just kind of boosted my morale, to a certain level. And I just had to say, you know what? I'm not going to cut this hair anymore. I'm going to keep this hair. Okay? I'm going to style this hair some more tomorrow. And then the next day, I styled this hair to church. And everyone is telling me, oh, your hair is goals. Oh, your hair is gorgeous. Oh, your hair is beautiful. And I just thought, to an extent, I think that we should really, as ladies or black women, really tend to pay compliments to other black women, because all of those compliments really boosted my self-esteem. You guys, I have to be sincere with you. So when you tell somebody out there your dress is awesome, your dress is beautiful, you look stunning, it kind of boosts your self-esteem, because you don't know, while we all walk around smiling, there might just be a certain insecurity hanging in there, where someone is feeling like, I'm not good enough today, I'm just gonna be a flop at this interview. And then you just see a random stranger and you say, oh my God, I love your shoes. That girl just automatically feels like, ooh, I think I'm not looking that bad after all. You get what I mean? Okay, so let's try to pay each other compliments. So I'm done with this section. I feel like I'm going to come back here and redo this part, but for now, let's just get into this right away. Boom. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is the end of the video and you've seen the outcome of this look. Okay, it doesn't have to be anything bougie. Okay, the only thing here that was a tad different was that I added these beautiful beads, wooden beads, just to give a sense of style and glam to it. But that aside, every other thing is just very simple. Okay, so this is a look that you can literally slay when you are heading out to work. Okay, you just finished wash day, you don't know what to do with your hair, just part that thing into sections, bantu it up, add up some beads, and you are good to go. So that's my hair. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. If you'd like me to bring more hairstyles, let me know in the comment section as well. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out. Love you. Love you.